Ooh. It comes with a brush, and it's out. Oh my god. Okay. All right. So what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be putting O-rings into my mechanical keyboard, and I'm pretty excited because this is like my first actual mod to my keyboard, or like my first actual customizing step to my mechanical keyboard. So thank God it's cheap and easy. If you guys don't know what O-rings do for your mechanical keyboard, they're essentially just like little rubber rings that kind of look like this, and they go on the stem of your Cherry MX compatible keycaps, ultimately reducing the distance that the keys travel, lessens the sounds that your keyboard makes, and lessens the impact that you get when you bottom out your keys. This is especially good for me because my typing technique sucks and I pretty much bash my keys in whenever I'm typing. If you guys remember me mentioning in my previous video, which if you haven't seen, I totally recommend that you guys do, the constant impact that you get when you bottom out your keys can lead to joint pain and discomfort in the future. So hopefully this will take care of that. There are two things that you want to keep in mind when you're shopping around for O-rings though, and that's the hardness and the thickness of the O-rings. The hardness is on a rating scale from 0 to 100. I think it's called the durometer scale or the durometer scale. But regardless, any rating leaning towards the 0 is more soft, and anything that's leaning towards the 100 is a little bit harder. I did get one that has a rating of 40, so I was more on the softer side. That's something I intended considering I type pretty hard. And in terms of thickness, from what I've read, anything less than 2 millimeters is considered thin, and anything more than 2.5 millimeters is considered thick. To be honest, I wasn't that concerned about the thickness. I know it affects the travel distance primarily, but I was more concerned about the hardness of the actual O-rings. I did get 2 millimeters, so that's, you know, falls right in between the two measurements. So hopefully it's fairly average. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and install the O-rings. I didn't want to record the whole process of me taking off each individual keycap and then putting on the O-rings for you guys, because that's just tedious and repetitive. But I did want to demonstrate it for you so that if you guys are ever looking to do this mod for yourself in the future, you can see how simple it is. So I'm going to go ahead and take my keycap puller, put it on one of the keycaps, pull the keycap off, put the rubber ring on like so, and then reattach the keycap to the switch. And there you go, there you have it. All right, so let me go ahead and do the rest of the keyboard, and then we'll jump right into a sound test so you guys can hear the before and after the O-rings were installed. And then we'll touch on my final thoughts on the O-rings themselves. So let me go ahead and get started. I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, there you have it, guys. All the O-rings are all installed on the keyboard. I hope that the mic was able to pick up the difference in the sound during the sound test, but there is a considerable difference. Typing on the RK61 prior to the O-rings, it just felt kind of plasticky and sounded plasticky or loose. Once I put the O-rings on, it definitely felt and sounded like they had more substance to them. For sure, the typing experience is completely different. I mean, the keys bottom out a lot sooner, and they do feel softer when you do bottom out the keys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the sound test in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about the O-ring mod and customization altogether, if it's something you've done already or if it's something you're looking to do. And if you guys like seeing content like this and you want to see more in the future, go ahead and subscribe and like this video, because I got more coming your way.